In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload CSV file in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know how to bring a list of contacts into your audience safely and correctly without running into common pitfalls. Start by opening Mailchimp.com in your browser and signing into your account. From the main dashboard, go to the audience area. This is where all your contacts live and where you'll manage imports. Once you're there, look for the Add Contacts option and choose Import Contacts to begin the process. Mailchimp gives several import methods, but for a spreadsheet you've saved, choose Upload a File. Click Continue to move forward. Next, select a file from your computer, browse to your CSV, click it, and then choose Open. A quick tip here, make sure your CSV has a header row with clear column names like email address, first name, and last name. The email column is essential, and each row should contain one contact per line. Remove any empty rows, and avoid special characters in column headers to prevent mapping issues. After the file is selected, click Continue. You'll now organize your contacts. Choose the audience you want to import into if you have more than one, and decide how you want these contacts categorized. This is a great moment to assign tags such as webinar, newsletter, or a campaign name. Tags help you segment and target future campaigns with precision. Next, match your columns to Mailchimp fields. Mailchimp will typically guess the right match for common fields, but skim through each one to confirm. Make sure the email address column maps to Mailchimp's email field. If there are columns you don't need, mark them to skip. Clean mapping now saves you from messy data later. You'll also see options related to subscription status. Ensure these contacts are marked as subscribed only if you have permission to email them. If they're new signups, subscribed is usually correct. If you're importing for storage or non-marketing purposes, choose the status that fits your use case and compliance needs. When everything looks right, proceed to complete the import. Mailchimp will show a summary so you can double-check the tags, field matches, and audience. Start the import and let Mailchimp process your file. Larger lists may take a bit longer. Finally, you'll receive a confirmation showing how many contacts were added, updated, or skipped. If any rows were skipped, Mailchimp will explain why so you can fix and re-import as needed. That's it. Your CSV is now uploaded and organized in Mailchimp, ready for targeted, compliant email campaigns.